They want my treasures, so they get their pleasures from my boat. So you can see me, you can't squeeze me. I ain't taste it. I got reasons why I tease them. Boys just come and go like seasons.
Hello, Visionary Beauties. Welcome to the channel. And for those of you who are stopping by for the very first time to check out this review, I want to say a huge welcome, and I hope you stick around for more videos. Hit that subscribe button because it's free. Turn on a post notification so you can be part of that notification game. Well, let's go ahead and get into this review. Today's review is a collaboration with Hair Klaiyi. I have reviewed either their wigs or hair in the past. I do like their quality. They are an Amazon-based store. Let's talk about the hair. Now, they sent me out this 18-inch body wave virgin hair in a natural color. I'm not sure of the grade, but I'll leave that down in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. So they sent me out this 18-inch wig. I had this for some time. I've had a chance to really get to know this wig. This is, as you can see, a fairly light density wig. I want to say it's about either between 100 and 150 density wig. Me personally, I love me a full like 150 plus density wigs. That's just my preference. But for those of you who like that more natural, lighter wig, this would be perfect for you. The hair quality is absolutely gorgeous. I did wash it. I just threw some body curls into this. You can see I didn't tack it down, but I don't know what's going on right here. It's a bit of a snug fit. I wish the cap was a little slightly bigger, but it fits me well. So it's not much wiggle room. So you want to make sure when you're rocking this, if you have a big head, that you want to make sure you make your braids flat as possible. It curls really well, and it does hold a curl. So I would suggest personally using a little bit of hairspray, mist it over the hair when you're curling it. So let me go ahead and give you a close-up. You get about a good 2 inches to 2.5 inches of parting space before you run into tracks right here. As you can see, it did not bleach the knots. And then you have your lace, which I cut here. It's fairly natural as far as the hairline. You get your baby hairs. It's a natural density. It is a very soft, lightweight unit. This wig is a lace front, so you do have to remove the lace from the perimeter of the front of this unit. So that's what this is looking. Let me give you the luster of this hair. So let me go ahead and give you that 360. So it does have a decent amount of body. It's just a little thin for my liking. I do like a full-on 150 to, up in density. I want to say a huge thank you to Hair Klaiyi for sending me out this wig to review. And if you guys have purchased from them before, or you would like to purchase, I'll leave that information down in the description box below. And don't forget to comment down below as well so I can get back to you. Like, subscribe, comment, and share. Please continue to share so I can keep doing more content and things you would like to see. And you can follow me on my social media platforms at Annette Beauty on Instagram, Visionaries of Beauty on Facebook. So I hope to see you guys there on those other platforms. And I will be having, again, some merch coming soon, so stay tuned for that. If you guys love my outfits or my shirts that I be rocking with my jewelry, just stay tuned for that. I don't know when it's going to drop, but it's soon. Everything will be custom ordered, so just keep that in mind. It's going to have different phrases that pertain to beauty. So yeah, like, subscribe, comment, and share. And as always, stay fabulous. And I do mean fabulous. And be your own vision of beauty. Till next time. Bye.